In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides bigger, both by adjusting the slide size and by zooming in on your current view. These simple methods can help you better tailor your slides to fit your presentation needs or simply make the content more comfortable to view. First, let's talk about how to change the slide size. This is especially useful if you're planning to print your slides or display them on different screens and need them to be a specific dimension. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation that you want to adjust. Once you're in the presentation, direct your attention to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, look for Page Setup. This is where you'll find options to change the dimensions of your slides. Upon selecting Page Setup, you'll see several sizing options presented to you. You can choose from typical aspect ratios like the standard 4:3 or widescreen 16:9. If none of these suit your needs, don't worry. You also have the option to select Custom. Choosing Custom allows you to enter your desired width and height. The measurements can be set in inches, centimeters, points, or pixels, depending on your preference. After entering the custom dimensions, remember to press OK or Apply. This step finalizes the change, and voila, your slides are now resized according to the dimensions you specified. Now, let's move on to zooming in, which can help you get a closer look at the details of your slide content. This is particularly beneficial when working in detail-oriented tasks, like fine-tuning elements on a slide. Begin by opening your presentation in Google Slides just as you did before. Next, cast your eyes up to the toolbar. There, you'll find the Zoom drop-down menu. It might be labeled as Fit, but once you click on it, you'll see a range of zoom options you can choose from. You can opt for a preset zoom percentage, such as 100% or 75% depending on your needs. Alternatively, you can input a custom zoom value if there's a specific level of magnification you're aiming for. For those who favor keyboard shortcuts, you have a quick way to zoom in and out. On Windows, you can hold down Ctrl and press the plus key. Similarly, if you're on a Mac, use CMD and the plus key. And don't worry about needing to zoom out. Hitting Ctrl with the minus key or CMD with the minus key on a Mac will shrink the view back. And there you have it. Two straightforward ways to make your Google Slides bigger for better visibility and presentation efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have made your work with Google Slides just a bit easier.